Once upon a time, in the shimmering waters of the magical kingdom of Atlantis, lived a beautiful mermaid queen named Queen Atlanna. She ruled with wisdom and kindness, loved by all the sea creatures in her realm. One sunny day, as Queen Atlanna swam through the ocean, she saw a tiny, lost human baby floating in a wooden box. Moved by compassion, she brought the baby to the surface and took care of him, naming him Arthur. As Arthur grew, he became a kind and brave boy, and Queen Atlanna taught him all about the underwater world. They spent their days exploring coral reefs, playing with dolphins, and learning ancient mermaid secrets. One day, Arthur asked Queen Atlanna, "Why did you save me, Your Majesty?" She replied, "Because I wanted to share the beauty of the ocean with someone who appreciated it as much as I do." One night, as they floated under the twinkling stars, Arthur felt a strange sensation. He suddenly found himself back on the shore, surrounded by the sounds of the human world. He was sad to leave Atlantis, but Queen Atlanna knew he had to return to his own kind. Before he left, Queen Atlanna gave Arthur a locket with a pearl. "This will always remind you of our home and our friendship. Use it wisely." Years passed, and Arthur became a great king of the human world. He always remembered his friend Queen Atlanna, the mermaid who taught him about love, kindness, and the beauty of the ocean. And whenever he looked at the locket, he felt a sense of peace, knowing that no matter where he was, Queen Atlanna and the underwater world would always be with him. The end.